was your last period? Did you have one this month? Well, let me give you a helpful tip to help regulate your cycle. I want to introduce to you turmeric. Most Indians, East Indians, get a couple of teaspoons of turmeric into their diet daily. And what does turmeric do? It is very warming so that it can induce a period. So what I'd like for you to do to get a regular period is to consider including a little bit of turmeric into your diet daily, whether that's in soups, salads, or smoothies. Over the years, I've had patients just put a little bit into their teas or smoothies and they've gotten the results. I want you to do this daily till you get 3 consistent cycles, and of course stop when you're pregnant. And there's also some acupressure that you can do. If you are on the YouTube channel, subscribe to our channel. We are doing a 30-day course on helping you to regulate your cycle. So along with the teas, another acupressure tip, and we're going to do this together for the next minute, is just simply putting your fists together on the lateral aspect, and then I want you to simply rub your fists together for the next minute. Now, along with drinking the tea, you can do this acupressure tip couple minutes, couple times a day, and I want you to get in the habit of doing any of the acupressure tips. Choose any one of them to help you on your fertility journey, and do that for a couple of minutes, couple times a day. And what it does is that it brings blood flow to the ovaries, the fallopian tubes, as well as the uterus to help promote ovulation and in turn a period. This can be very helpful as blood and nutrients are going to that area to help you to regulate your cycle, help you on your fertility journey, and help you with wellness. Of course, get checked out by your physician. That's really important for me to tell you. These recommendations are in recommendations to what your doctor is telling you. And in addition to that, of course, stop when you're pregnant. You no longer have to do that. Keep this in mind. I wish you all the very best on your fertility, acupressure, wellness journey from your acupressurist friend, Anita Tadavarthi.